moved from Asia Pacific to North America because I have a car shop in Beverly Hills called GI Automotive, and the whole plan was to help promote the car shop. So what better way than to go racing and help promote the business through motorsports? I'm super nervous because I am the outsider here. Everyone, this is their home track, and now they put me in the pro division, which means I gotta perform extra hard. I'm a bit nervous, but at the end of the day, I just want to enjoy the race and have some fun. Right on the warm-up lap, and I kissed the wall. I broke the front tie rod, the rear tie rod, and the front canard, hoping that everything's okay and I'll be back in the race. The first race, and it was an intense race. I started about 9th overall in the TP class. I was right behind Cooper McNeil, which is my teammate, and then along the way we managed to crawl up. I think I was 6th overall for a while. I overtook someone, I got too excited, I lost control, I spun on turn 2. After that, I think I was like 3rd to the last, and then I crawled my way back up. I think I overtook 2 more cars, and then I don't know what I finished overall, I think 12th. But in my division, I'm probably 2nd to last because I saw one of the other pro guys spin also on the corkscrew. But hopefully tomorrow will be a better day for us and a better qualifying, because that's going to make a huge difference. Behind me, who I dive bombed on the last corner, came up to me and said that was not cool. I didn't have the line, and I basically dive bombed him, and we had a little contact, and he was pretty angry, and I really apologized. Even after the finish line, I was just saying sorry already. I'm really sorry, but he said he'll let it slide, and I hope I didn't make any enemies on my first race today. Well, overall, I first want to thank Scuderia Corsa and Ferrari Beverly Hills for letting me join their team, and I feel right at home. They've been super amazing, taking care of my car, taking care of myself, and checking on everything. The team has been super awesome. All my teammates are like winners, like from Cooper McNeil all the way till the TP guys, Thomas Tipley, Mark Fuller, Michael Fassbender, everyone's been winning. So I feel bad I didn't make it to the podium this time, but 5th place for my first race this year, I guess not a bad thing, right? Because we are now in the pro division. Want to thank you guys for watching as always. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Love you guys.